Online course creation explained step by step. Don't forget to follow or subscribe. Online course creation step 11, search engine optimization. This is also known as SEO. Search engine optimization is all about using words that the search engines will pick out in order to understand the relevance of what you have compared to what people are looking for. And these are called keywords. So if you use your keywords correctly, then you will help to get your courses found not only in the marketplaces, but also on the internet by Google and Bing and all the other search engines. So you do need to grasp the essentials of search engine optimization. When you're looking at insights, I've talked to you about insights in a previous part of this recording. Think about your course topic keyword and how you're going to build that into your course URL, because this all helps the search engines to understand exactly what your course is about. One of the ways to keep on top of this is to install analytics, Google Analytics. In a sense, Udemy Insights is a form of analytics. And you can then have a look at the analytics relating to your course. I can't go into analytics. It's far too complicated here. But although there's huge amounts of in-depth stuff you can do with Google Analytics, there are a few basic things you can do as well, which will actually be more than sufficient to get you started. So definitely take a look at using analytics to then reinforce how you're going to apply keywords to make your written words about your courses more search engine friendly. And remember, this is important because the search engines can't search the content of the video. They can't search an image. They rely on the writing around the video and around the images, sometimes called metadata as well as the course descriptions and the lecture descriptions and the lecture titles and the section titles. They rely on all this written word in order to find and then rank you for the relevance for other searches. So search engine optimization is a critical skill. You don't need to become a mega expert, but you certainly need to have some awareness of how it works.